Hello everyone, my name is Steve Martin and I am the Head of Influence at Work here in the United Kingdom, and together with Dr. Noah Goldstein and Dr. Robert Cialdini, I am the co-author of the books The Small Big and Yes. And I'd like to add my invitation for you to join us this summer in Arizona for the first ever Moment Maker program that we are opening to the public. Now, if you're in a line of business or if you're in a workplace situation that requires you to influence and persuade others, I'm convinced that attending this program will be a hugely valuable experience to you. It's based on the new and groundbreaking work of Dr. Robert Cialdini and the concept of persuasion, how you can arrange in an entirely effective and ethical way for audiences to be receptive to your messages and your communications before they've even heard them. Now, this may be the first time that we are making this program available on the open market, but this is a program that's been in development for well over a year now. Dr. Cialdini, myself, together with a brilliant young psychologist, Helen Mankin, have been running this program in organizations both in Europe and in the United States with online marketeers, digital communications companies, some of the best known consumer companies and brands in the world. Even the world's largest technology company has experienced this program. And so we're confident you're going to get a lot of value from coming to Arizona on the 25th of July to experience this program. I hope that many of you are going to be able to join us. Now, I'm not sure how many people will see this particular video, probably nowhere near the 10 million people that have already seen our YouTube video, but I suspect it's going to be a few thousand. One thing I do know though is that we only have room at Arizona State University and the facility where we're going to be running this program for around about 40 attendees. So I'd encourage you to register your interest as quickly as possible. In fact, my US colleagues tell me that there are preferential pricing arrangements for those that sign up early. And if you've been on one of our open principles of persuasion programs in the past, then be sure to let my US colleagues know when you book on the Moment Maker program. That's all there is from me now. I look forward to seeing you in Arizona in the summer, and bring some sunblock because my understanding is it gets a little warm out there.